Hello again, Misty Ricardo here at Bhaji Fresh, and we are going to be cooking a chicken chili masala. Our chef's already chopped the fresh onion up here. That's going to go into it. It's going to be cooked Buna style, and we've got some fresh chili. So what he's doing now is he's putting oil in the pan, and he's putting the fresh garlic in. So browning that off. In with the chilies and onions, and it's smelling great already. So in with a bit of salt, kasuri methi, a little bit of base just to help steam the onions a bit. Bit of fresh coriander, and at what point do you put the mixed powder and okay.
You can see how these onions are simmered soft.
Yeah. So that's why you added just that bit of base gravy, so it'll help them steam.
And make it.
Yep. Soften them up.
So mixed powder.
Yep. You see, mixed powder. Careful not to burn the spices, so he's turned the heat down. So mixing the dry spices, so the mixed powder, chili powder. Yep, some tomato puree, which has been diluted slightly with water. And one of the magic ingredients for this dish, we've got some Patak's chili pickle. Goes in. And our good friend that you're about to see, well, you can see there, Mr Naga. Wow, that's a decent portion. Nice one. Mr Naga pickle going in there. So in with the chicken tikka. Is it always chicken tikka used for this dish?
Yeah, all the special dishes is chicken tikka.
Right.
Because the chicken tikka is done in the grill oven.
Yep.
Then it's put in the curry. It's got more spice and it's tender.
Yeah, yeah. Yes. Whoops. It's chef's privilege, that one. So in with the bulk of the base gravy. And a quick stir. And the chef will leave it for a while. A bit more coriander. Some nice fresh tomatoes. Now, chef's turned the heat up now. Going to really let it sit and caramelise.
Right, that's done. So
Right, we're done. So we'll transfer over to the serving dish, and we'll have a taste. Wow. Yeah. I'm going to let it cool down a bit and give it a taste. That looks and smells superb. A nice garnish on top. One of the chefs just provided a glass of water by the side just in case I need it. Thank you. Let's have a taste of this. That is amazing. Yeah, that is really, really, really good. Well done. Nice one. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching Chef Abdul Malik cook. this superb chicken chili masala. Come down to Bhaji Fresh in Warrington and you can have them on yourself. Bye for now.